Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, an alarming concern. That's how the PNP's Dr. Alfred Dawes described the inadequacies in the emergency response system in Western Jamaica on the heels of Reggae Sumfest. The opposition, the JHTA, and the business community warn that if the situation is not addressed, a major disaster could happen. Jamila Maitland reports.
We are going to make sure that we have proper emergency services. So if mama gets a stroke, an ambulance can come pick her up. If your baby sick and need to go to hospital, an ambulance can come.
Opposition spokesman on health Dr. Alfred Dawes during a political meeting in Hanover over the weekend. Dr. Dawes argues that the state of the emergency response services in Western Jamaica is very concerning. President of the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association, Christopher Jarrett, in a statement just days earlier, warned of the response times from ambulances and its potential negative impact to drive tourists away if they believe they can't get assistance on time. Notably, 25% of all tourist arrivals are in Negril and its environs. Dr. Dawes says the PNP administration will address it.
Dog, I'm your supper if you know an accident down here. We have a major stage show like Sumfest and anything can happen. And we don't have a proper ambulance service. The PNP will fix that.
The Ministry of Health and Wellness has been strengthening the primary health care systems in Jamaica. Health centers are being better equipped and the workers able to identify, diagnose and treat citizens so they do not overwhelm the hospitals. The issue is that the healthcare centers are oftentimes understaffed and have set opening times.
When you go to the hospital, because we're going to have urgent centers, meaning that you don't have to go to a hospital for your cough and cold and the pressure high, or you have stoppage of water. Those things, your asthma act up, you can go to the nearest clinic. That is an urgent care center. You get your x-ray done, you get your blood test done, you get your medication, and you go home.
Dr. Dawes, who was former senior medical officer at the Savon Lamar Hospital in Westmoreland, took a swipe at the government's management of the 3 major hospitals in Western Jamaica.
When people have hernia and them can't cut them hernia and sit down a yard and watch beer ribbon and cut and no hernia, time come for a better life. We will cut hernias, not ribbons.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.